Walaikum salam.
Sir, I have a question to one of my students. Her name is Vishnu Priya. She is a Hindu. And when I was coming over here, she sent a message to me and asked a question that is Allah male or female? Why does Quran use he if there is no gender implied? Sir, I'm asking this question from you, but anyway, this is the question.
The question was this, that is Allah male or female, and why do we use he for Allah? And this question troubled me for a long time. And I could not get the answer myself until I went to the head of the Department of Arabic in Medina. I stayed with him for a couple of weeks. And after learning Arabic a little bit, I'm not sure if you know how much, then I came up with the answer and I checked out the answer with him and you are very happy. In Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has got no gender. He's neither male, neither female. There's nothing like him. The moment you say male, that means similar to some male. If you say female, so he has no gender. But why in Arabic do we say Kul hu Allah? Say he is Allah one and only. Why do we use the word huwa? The reason is that in English we have three genders: male, female, and neuter. In Arabic we have only two genders: male and female. And there are certain criteria for a gender to be female. For example, if it is feminine by nature, like ummu, ukhtu, it becomes female. Allah is not feminine by nature. If it is pairs, ainun, yadun, it becomes female. Allah is not pair. Qul Allah was Sayyid Allah one and only. Then there's another rule that if it has an alif in the ending, it becomes feminine. Allah doesn't have that. So by default, it becomes huwa. So Allah by nature has got no gender. He is neither female, he is neither male. In English language, God is for female and God is for male and Goddess is for female. But Almighty God has got no gender. By default, it becomes huwa. That's the reason it says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not similar to anything in this world. Alam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There's nothing like him.